No one talks about this, but it's destroying millions of people silently. Lust. It's not just a habit, it's a thief, and it's stealing your confidence, your focus, your peace. Every time you give in, you feel it, that moment of regret. The emptiness, like something inside you just got weaker. And the worst part, you start to believe that's just who you are now. But let me tell you something most people won't. You are not weak. You're just stuck, and you can break out. But not with shame, not with guilt, and not by trying to just resist it. Because lust isn't just pleasure, it's a lie. It promises happiness, then leaves you hollow. It gives you a high, then takes your energy, your willpower, your drive. And if you're honest, you felt it too. Alone, late at night, scrolling, no purpose, just hoping it fills something inside. But what if the urge isn't the problem? What if it's the pain underneath? The loneliness, the boredom, the numbness. Lust isn't the enemy. Avoiding your emotions is. You don't fix this by fighting harder. You fix it by healing smarter. Start here. Block the triggers. Unfollow the accounts. Make failure harder. Build new habits. When the urge hits, move your body. Don't sit in your head. Push-ups, walk, cold shower, journal, anything. And ask yourself, what am I really looking for? Because when you finally face that pain, you start to rebuild your power. And one day soon, you'll wake up focused, clear, strong, not ashamed, not drained, but alive. You're not broken. You've just never been trained. Start today. Win the war in your mind. Take back your power.